How to pay with Apple Pay on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay with Apple Pay on your Amazon account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Apple Pay, and after that just simply get your Apple Card details with yourself. Just simply get your Apple Card number, the CVC code and other details regarding your Apple Card, and after that just simply open your Amazon account, and over here in your Amazon account just simply scroll down and just explore the product that are there in the Amazon and just put the product into your cart that you would want to buy. And as you can see that I have already put product into my cart section, and for example you want to buy these products, so just simply click on proceed to buy, and now just select the delivery address and just select the payment method, and in the payment method section just simply scroll down, and over here you will be able to see the option called credit or debit card. Just simply tap on it, and now over here you just simply have to enter your card. For example, just enter your card number, the expiration date, and so over here just simply enter your Apple Card details along with your Apple Card number and other details. And once you have entered your Apple Card details into your Amazon account, then simply click on continue and make the purchase happen using your Apple Pay. And yeah, that's how you will be able to pay. So yeah, that's how you will be able to pay with Apple Pay on your Amazon account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.